Hello, my dear friend and teacher. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rehnuma. I'm my parents' first daughter. I read in class 6 and my favorite subject is math and science. Uh, we live in Sylhet in Major Tilla, Islampur. My father's name is Ahmed Ali. He is a businessman in Saudi Arab. My mother's name is Shumi Akhtar. She is a housewife. We are five. We are five members. They are my mother, my two sisters, my grandmother, and me. Our family is a very close-knitted family. I live in fourth floor of a four-story building. We have a flower garden. There are various types of flower such as gander, red rose, night lady, orchid and sunflower. Every day I give water in my flower garden. I want to be a doctor. I love my family. Thank you, Abram, for watching my video.